Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English.
What did the banana say to the apple? Nothing. Bananas don't talk.
Let's break it down.
What did the banana say to the apple?
What did the banana say to the apple? Banana. Apple. What did the banana say to the apple? What words did it use? What words did the banana use to speak to the apple? Repeat. What did the banana say to the apple? What did the banana say to the apple? Usage examples. What? What did you say? What is he doing? What did you want to say? What did you do last weekend? What do you want to do now? Did she understand? I did not understand the question. What did you do last night? Did you go to the beach yesterday? They did not come to the party. They did not like the movie. The car is red. The dog is eating. The beach is not far. I like the blue shirt. He read the book. The houses are expensive in this city. Banana. She put the banana in her bag. Can you buy a banana at the store? I like to eat a banana for breakfast. Say, what did you say? I say hello to my neighbor every morning. He didn't say a word. Can you say that again? She couldn't say no to the offer. 2. What did he say to his boss? He gave the book to his friend. Talk to your brother. I need to talk to you. What did he say to you? Apple. The apple is red. He is eating an apple. I like to eat an apple after dinner. Can you make an apple pie? The apple tree is in the garden.
Nothing.
Nothing. It didn't say anything. Repeat. Nothing. Nothing. Usage examples. Nothing. Nothing is impossible. She did nothing wrong. I have nothing against him. He had nothing to say. I have nothing to lose. There is nothing to worry about. There is nothing more important than family. I know nothing about this issue. She said nothing during the meeting.
Bananas don't talk.
Bananas don't talk. Bananas. Bananas cannot speak. Repeat. Bananas don't talk. Bananas don't talk. Usage examples. Bananas. I love eating bananas for breakfast. Bananas are rich in potassium. He bought a bunch of bananas. I need 2 ripe bananas for my recipe. Don't. I don't like bananas. Don't you like bananas? They don't read a lot. We don't work from home. Talk. He doesn't talk much. Can we talk in private? She talked on the phone for hours. We need to talk about this issue. They talked about their plans for the weekend. Don't talk. We don't talk much these days. The children don't talk during the movie. They don't talk about their problems. I don't talk to him anymore. Vocabulary recap. What did the banana say to apple? Nothing. Bananas. Don't talk. Read. Listen.
What did the banana say to the apple? Nothing. Bananas don't talk.
Do you prefer apples or bananas? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.